Hello, I am John,
And I'm Nancy.
and
And
we
we
are
are
J&N
J&N
Travels.
Travels. We drove from New Hampshire to Florida to Snowbird for the first time and would like to share our tips and advice from our 3 months down south.
Hello, in this video of Snowbird 1.0, we're just going to do a little discussion on south of the border. South of the border is the border between South Carolina and North Carolina. It's a tourist attraction or tourist trap, however you want to look at it.
Yeah.
I think we stopped there almost, if not every time we've driven down.
We've stopped there every time we've driven to Florida.
And I guess the first question you, Nancy, is do you recommend stopping there? Is it worth a stop there?
Yeah, I like it. I do.
What would you like about it?
It's just you know, well, you feel like you're in Mexico.
It's extremely tacky. It's great if you have kids, and I also think that it can be a lot of fun. I enjoy it myself, and I'm not sure why either.
I don't either.
You've got these gift shops that are just typical gift shops,
Well,
tacky,
some of them have a lot of Mexican souvenirs in there.
right?
I like that.
Well, and they have those ones of the Day of the Dead, is it?
Yeah, yeah, Day of
A
the
lot of
Dead.
that type of
Yeah,
stuff, which is
yeah,
kind of cool.
yeah.
There's restaurants that we've never eaten in the restaurants there.
No, we've never had.
There's also a place that has it's like a little it's not an aquarium, but it's got some kind of animals in there. We've never gone in, so
Yeah,
I'm
we
not
haven't
sure
gone in
what.
there, yeah. But the icons are cool. You've got Pedro, and then with the big sombrero,
Right.
and then you get the big
With tons of animals and
yeah,
different kind of
different
that you can
animals.
climb on or
Yeah,
pose for pictures.
the big red hot dog.
Yeah, right. There's a lot of those kind of things. They have a tower there that since we've been driving down for 30 years, I've never seen that tower work. And you know the big
No,
sombrero they
yeah,
went.
that's right.
I think there's an elevator to the top and it's supposed to be a viewing place. I've never
Yeah,
seen it working.
yeah.
There's also a hotel there, which I've
Yeah,
been
we walked
tempted.
through.
We've been tempted to stay there when we used to stop at hotels, but it looks a little scary, a little intimidating to stay there, even
It
though it's
we
not.
walked through it, and I have bad allergies, and it smelled very musty.
Okay, aside
So
from that, you're right. That we found the last time.
yeah,
The hotel itself we thought was cute when we
it
walked
was
through
cute.
it.
Yeah, but it's really strong, musty smell.
Yeah,
I was feeling sick walking through there. I had to leave.
right. So this time we definitely wouldn't have stayed under those
Yeah,
circumstances. But it's a nice break. It's a nice way to stretch your legs. We usually stay there for about an hour.
yeah,
Walk around. There's a gas station right there too. A
yeah.
couple gas stations. So we filled up, looked at the gift shops, walked around, and basically left. So I don't know. I recommend it for like that. Maybe a break, an
Yeah,
8 hour
just for a
break.
break. Yeah, it was good to stretch our legs, and you know, it's entertaining enough.
And if you have kids, it's definitely an interesting place to stop. They'll
Yeah,
get a kick out of the giant statues and stuff they can
yeah.
climb on and pose some pictures on. So yeah, we recommend it. I wouldn't recommend it every time down, but definitely give it a go at least once, right?
Yeah, check
Okay,
it out.
that's right.
And remember, stay young and have fun.